Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Let us generate the reports for end of the day, 29th December 2023. That is on last Friday. Even before that, let us analyze the high liquidity zones generated on Thursday. So we have 5 high liquidity zones identified on Thursday. Thursday, that is on 28th December. And let us look into those trades on 29th December 2023. The first one is sale. This is a daily high liquidity zone. Prices entered into the zone, but we cannot take the trade due to the risk management point of view. Let me show you. We have fine-tuned the high liquidity zone with the 75-minute zone. So inside daily high liquidity zone, we identified a 75-minute zone. So we have a rally candle, base candles, and then drop candle. But this 75-minute zone, we cannot fine-tune properly because the risk is very high. Let me show you why we avoided this trade. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. So let us look into the zone. Please look into this zone. How the 15-minute zone is supposed to be? We have a drop candle, base candle, again another drop candle with a huge wick. That means you have to draw a zone something like this. See how much risk it is there. So we can't handle this much risk. So that is the reason why we haven't planned the trade. But otherwise, once prices entered into this zone, 75-minute zone, they were started falling down. But anyway, we didn't plan the trade due to the risk point of view. Next one is Cipla. This is a 75-minute zone. So we have a rally candle, we have a drop candle, 2 base candles and a drop candle, DBD. So inside this 75 minutes, we fine-tuned to 15 minutes. Let me show you the 15 minutes. See here we have a rally candle, 4 base candles and again a drop candle. Again this one we fine-tuned to 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you the 5 minutes. How we fine-tune to the 5 minutes. This is the fine-tuned, this zone is fine-tuned on the 5 minutes time frame. It is like we can consider this as a leg-in, then a base candle and a drop candle. But what is that we are seeing here from this base candle to this drop? We are seeing a professional gap. Either you can plan a trade inside this zone or even you can plan a trade well before this zone within this professional gap area, provide the risk is within your risk management level. Suppose somewhere in between in the professional gap area, if you want to take a trade, till this 5 minutes demand supply zone, digital line, if the risk is manageable, you can take a trade. Because professional gap, there is always institutional pending orders will be there. But anyway, we are planning, we will plan the trade only once prices enter into this zone. But if anyone wants to bear the risk, they can take the trade within this professional gap area. See what happened today? the prices did not reach into this 5-minute supply zone. Just before reaching the supply zone, 5-minute supply zone, within this professional gap area itself, pushed the prices down. It has given a huge reward, but prices didn't enter into our fine-tuned area because we can't take trade with a huge risk. Because the risk is high, we have to strictly wait. It looks like, okay, because this price action is already completed, it looks like a huge return it has given. But we are always strict with our trade plan. So prices should enter into this 5-minute zone. Because our risk management is very strict. Maybe we missed the trade due to this professional gap area. But what I am trying to tell you is this has given a very good reward, but we missed the trade. But high liquidity zone did its job by pushing the prices till the 15 minutes. Let me show you the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes, we have a rally base, or even you can consider drop also, base candles and a rally candle. So this is the target. So from just before reaching into this 5-minute zone, within this professional, this is the professional gap area for our 5-minute zone. Just before reaching the zone, prices went down. Maybe next time again prices are entering into this zone, we may get an opportunity. But that is all depending on how our software is generating stocks near demand and supply zones. And the next one, that means we missed a trade in this stock. Otherwise, we would have got a very good profit. Next one is ICICI Prudential. This is also a 75-minute zone. We didn't plan a trade in this zone. The reason is the structure is not at all good in the 15 minutes. This is a 75-minute zone. Let me show you the 15-minute zone. That's why I didn't draw anything inside this, because this zone will be violated easily. See the structure of the 15-minute zone. We have to draw a zone like this from here to here, but look into the base candles. Even if you want to draw the zone, the risk is going to be high. But even before that, look, all these are all base candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why we can't plan a trade in this zone. So I say Prudential supply zone is not a good supply zone. It is not yet violated, but it will be violated easily. And next one is Motherson. This is also a 75-minute supply zone. The supply zone is violated. We have fine-tuned inside this. Let me show you. Actually, trade is executed, but we didn't get the profits. The stop loss is hit. See, here we have a 15-minute zone. How you draw 15-minute zone? Like this. Inside the 15 minutes, we fine-tune to the 5 minutes area. Let me delete the 15 minutes because inside this we already fine-tuned. So let us go to the 5 minutes time frame. So we have a rally candle, base candle and a drop candle. The zone is looking like a good zone. But today, the zone is easily violated. Maybe there are no enough pending orders within this zone. So anyway, we have to accept the loss. So Motherson has given 355 rupees loss, which is 0.24% negative ROI minus 0.24% return on the investment. That is negative ROI. So the loss is very minimal, 355 rupees. So there is only one trade is executed perfectly, but it hit the stop loss. And the last stock is Emphasis. Emphasis, we can't take the trade. The reason is, this is also a 75-minute supply zone. Let me show you. Today, this zone is violated. You know the reason why this is a valid zone. The reason why it is violated is previously it has given a trade here. Look into this. It is already a tested zone. And the second time it is violated. That's why always we look for a fresh zones, a fresh fine-tuned. We always look for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zones. But this is not a fresh zone. So that's why we didn't plan a trade. And there are no 5 minutes or 15-minute zone above this. So that's why we didn't have any plan above this. Otherwise we would have got an opportunity. See the huge rejection. But unfortunately, we didn't find any 15-minute zones in this area. So that is the reason why we didn't plan any trade in this stock. So that's why finally only one stock is executed, that is Motherson, but it is the stop loss is hit. So that means we got a 355 rupees loss for one future slot. So these are all the trades executed on Friday. And let us now generate the zones. So if any of you are attending this video first time at our channel, please understand we are providing free training on supply demand zone price action. So you can access it. You can access it from the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. All the earlier lessons are available. So please make use of this opportunity. I have provided this playlist link in this video description. I have also provided a link to our Telegram channel. So please register at our Telegram channel so that every time before releasing the video, at least I can place the link at our Telegram channel. Okay, now let us generate the zones for all the time frames starting from yearly. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. So nothing is there. Please remember, today is end of the year, end of the quarter, end of the week, end of the month. Everything is today is the end of the day for all the time frames starting from yearly to daily. Today is the end of the day for all these time frames. So no stocks near daily demand zone. Similarly, yearly time frame, let us find any stocks near yearly supply zone. No stocks are available. Next, half yearly time frame. Today is also end of the half yearly time frame. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. So one stock is there. Let's go back. Half yearly time frame. Let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So one stock is there. Similarly, let us change the time frame to quarterly. Today is also end of the quarterly. End of the day for the quarterly. So let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So one stock is there near the quarterly demand zone. And quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So three stocks are filtered. So let's go back. Let us change the time frame to monthly. Today is also end of the day for monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. Three stocks are filtered. Let's go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. So one stock is filtered. So let's go back. Today is also end of the weekly. So weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So 3 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. Weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered, which are near to the weekly supply zone. So let's go back. Daily. So for daily time frame, let us find the stocks near the daily demand zone. 7 stocks are filtered. Are there any high liquidity demand zones? No high liquidity demand zones from this list. So let's go back. Entry time frame daily. Let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. 8 stocks are filtered. Let us check, are there any high liquidity zones near to the daily supply zone? No. Yeah, there is one high liquidity zone. Bosch. Already tested 3 times. Next one is Canara Bank. This is already tested 4 times. RUC Limited is a counter trend trade set of high liquidity zone tested once. So these are the high liquidity supply zones in daily time frame. So let's go back. Now let us change the time frame to 125 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So 3 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. 11 stocks are filtered. Now let's go back to the 75 minutes time frame. 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 4 stocks are filtered. So we have Asian Paints is there, high liquidity demand zone at 75 minutes time frame. It is already tested 3 times. So only one high liquidity demand zone we identified. So let's go back. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Let us find the high liquidity supply zones. Atul is there, already tested once. Atul is moving between high liquidity supply zone and high liquidity demand zone. You may get one of these, any one of the opportunities you can look in this stock. Next high liquidity supply zone is Coforge. Coforge is also having both high liquidity supply zone and high liquidity demand zone. So you can look for either opportunity in demand zone or supply zone. And the last one is TVS Motors. This is also a high liquidity supply zone, already tested once. So this is a counter trend trade setup related stock. This is about 75 minutes. Now let us change the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. So these 9 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. Entry time frame 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. So these 2 stocks are filtered. Now let's go back. Let us change the time frame to 15 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. Entry time frame is 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15-minute supply zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. Let's go back. Let's change the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. So all these are all 13 stocks are 5 minutes demand zones. Stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. So let's go back. 5 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered. So this is about the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. Hope this information is useful to you. So let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.